السلام عليكم ورحمة الله تعالى وبركاته. My name is Ilhami Abdelmuati. It's my pleasure to talk about the referencing and citation of your work uh, that you have written from the literature when you are implementing your research. My outline for this video is to know why the correct referencing is important and uh, what are the citations mean and when and how to cite in the text, and also to be able to reference some key sources of information that you can make use and to seek help in writing your research, and also to have a good understanding of how to set out your bibliography. Do not worry, I'm going to explain all of those concepts. As a starter, we have to ask this question: why am I obliged to correctly reference uh, the work that I'm using from the others? Uh, Actually, there are two sets of reasons that you have to consider when answering this question to justify that. The academic one and practical one. The academic one, it's required by it's required by your school or your department, and then to put your current work into the context that you are intending to work on, and it provides supporting evidence when you are telling the others that what I'm talking about and what I'm mentioning in my research, it's supported by others. You will give more credibility for your work, and this is very important thing in research. It has to be credible, and also you want to show the others that I have read a lot, and I'm doing this research uh, out of reading a lot of literature, and you are not duplicating this one, and to avoid the plagiarism. The plagiarism is the thefting action, and it's very serious one, and every researcher and every one should be aware of this problem, is to take the others' work and to make it as yours without acknowledging them. And this is disastrous work. And for the practical reasons, it allows others to easily find your sources that you make use when you are conducting your work, and then to help you to retrace your work in the future. We are humans; we are forgetting where how we did our work in the past. So to give you hints, how did you do what you have done? And simply poor information sources, that means that you are poorly referencing them, so you will lose more marks. Okay, so moving toward the second one is to first to define the important concepts. What do we mean by citation, reference list, bibliography? uh, Citation, we mean by citation it the appearance of the reference or the source that you are quoting from in the text of your essay, whenever you use a code or incorporate idea that you have picked up from other source. And for the reference, it is the same. It appears at the end of your essay or your chapter, sometimes at the bottom of each page, and gives a full details of source of your information. Okay. For the reference list, it's a list at the end of your chapter or your essay, pulling the full details of the sources that you have cited in your work. And the bibliography is the same like the reference list, with a little bit of addition, is to put the details of the sources حتى even that you didn't code them in your work, but it helped you in your readings and to orient you about the topic that you are working on. In a brief in Arabic بكل بساطة يا جماعة المفاهيم دي اللي هو citation و reference they are going they go together، يعني بيمشوا مع بعض. اللي هو citation احنا بكل بساطة هنوري انه انا جبت الحاجة دي من وين جوا النص. بالنسبة للريفرنس هوري التفاصيل بتاعة المصدر اللي انا جبت منها، بتكون بتظهر في نهاية البحث او على الهوامش بتاعة الصفحة. بالنسبة للريفرنس ليست والبيبليوغرافي هما قريبات لبعض، هما برضو دي قائمة المراجع والمصادر. الريفرنس ليست هي دي بكل بساطة المراجع اللي انت كتبت منهم خلاص واقتبست منهم. اما بالبيبليوغرافي هما برضو الحاجات اللي انت كتبت منها هنا واقتبست منها من المصادر، بالإضافة للمراجع أو المصادر اللي أنت قريتها لكن أنت ما استخدمتها لكن ساعدتك إنه تفتح يعني ذهنك أو توريك أحسن يعني التوبيك بتاعك. تمام. So let's move to the different scenarios and know if we are required to cite them or not. هي ما على سبيل الحصر ولكن هي الحاجات السيناريوز المهمة. أول حاجة أن you are quoting directly from another source، يعني أنت مقتبس من مصدر معين. هل نحن محتاجين نبين أن المصدر هو شنو ولا مش شنو؟ Definitely you are guessing right. You are required mention the fact that is commonly known، يعني أنت بتبين حقيقة عامة وموجودة والناس عارفينها. Definitely I know that you are guessing it right. هنا ما محتاج نحن نبين. For the third scenario اللي هو present results of your own survey or experiment، يعني بكل بساطة أنت ذكرت أو أنت بتوري نتائج بتاعة البحث بتاعك. بكل بساطة هنا دي نحن هنا ما محتاجين نعمل citation، لكن you have to be aware. You have to be aware there is another scenario very close to this one that you have to cite your work. For example اللي هو أنت نشرت بيبر السنة قبل سنة أو سنتين وأنت جاي شغال تاني في بيبر تانية أو في ريسيرش تاني، وأنت حتنشر العمل بتاعك ده، لكن داير تقتبس جزء من العمل بتاعك السابق. فهنا ضروري لازم تعمل سايتيشن للشغل بتاعك لأن أنت قبل كده نشرته. فدي حاجة مهمة شديد. في ناس قاعد يقولوا ليه نحن نعمل سايتيشن أو ليه نحن نبين إنه أنا شلت من نفسي. يعني دي واحدة من أهم الحاجات اللي هو debatable لحد هسه دي the right one. عشان to avoid حاجة اسمها self plagiarism لازم you have to cite your own past work. The fourth scenario, you are writing about another researcher's theory or idea using your own words as a paraphrase, for example, or summary. هنا بكل بساطة you have to cite and taking image from the website or another thing from the website. You have to cite them using facts, figures from another writer to support your idea. Definitely, you need to cite this work. You are using diagram from book, also definitely you have to cite it. And you include some statistics from a lecturer that you have attended the lecture with him. Definitely you need to mention and to cite them.